Why can't we use COUNTIF in this problem? Brad Williams, Excel primed. Let's take a look, diagnose this problem. Count when sales increased month over month. Okay, we're going to count increase less than and equal to. Here we have, well, it doesn't matter what we have. We just have sales this month and then sales this month, last month, and this month. What we want to do is count the number of rows that sales increased month over month. Then we want to count sales that decreased month over month, and then no change in sales. Why can't you use COUNTIF? COUNTIF is a list-based function, and it won't work, but SUMPRODUCT will, with a few tweaks. Let's take a look here. We know the SUMPRODUCT function is a versatile function in Microsoft Excel. It allows you to multiply corresponding values in lists, and then sum the products. We have a single array. Cool. Simple, simple, simple. We have that unary. Why? Well, because we're going to be doing some conversions. We're going to be looking at trues and falses, and we have to convert those over. Without using an assist column, in other words, if we subtracted one from the other, we could use the COUNTIF. Because we're not using an assist column, you can use the SUMPRODUCT function to count rows in a list that satisfies internal calculated criteria. You have a list containing the sales figures for multiple products. We've got a bunch of fruits and we want to count. We want to count whatever the sales were. You have a column for last month's sales and a column for this month's sales. You wish to count the number of rows for which current sales are less than last month's sales. Because COUNTIF is a list-based function, you can't use it here. Adding an assist column that subtracts last month's sales from this month's sales, and then using COUNTIF to count results less than 0 is one option. What if, however, you do not wish to add an assist column? In this example, you can use the SUMPRODUCT. Here's the formula. SUMPRODUCT. We're just going E5 minus D5. Really, that's it. Do your multiplication and then add them. Let's keep it as simple as possible. Let's take a look. SUMPRODUCT, our array. That's it. We're just looking for this array. D5. In this case, the first example is greater than E5. Well, show me. F9. D5, is D5 greater than E5? No. False. 72 greater? True. False? True. True, true, false, 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 true, true. All right. What's SUMPRODUCT going to do? It's just counting the rows that are true. 1, 2, 3. We played with this before, so I thought I'd just throw it in. A little versatility doesn't hurt, right? Can you use the AND function to do the same thing? Yeah. I didn't list the AND because it does the exact same thing as the double unary. Here we have D5 less than. Well, we're going to do the exact same thing. Anything less than, we're going to see true falses, and then anything equal. Are there any? No. Let's look. F9. And we have a bunch of zeros. That's it. I know sometimes we overthink this stuff, but keep it simple. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thanks for your time.